You're about to see 7 free Google AI tools that are so good they shouldn't be free. These aren't just good, but they're outperforming expensive paid software you might already be paying for. Get ready to replace your entire tech stack for good. The first tool is Google AI Studio, and you can create fully functional web applications and landing pages with no code absolutely free. So head over to aistudio.google.com. On the left hand side, select where it says build, and with plain text English, you can prompt it to build whatever you want. So for this example, I'm using a design and event registration landing page that includes input fields for name, email, ticket types with pricing options and an integrated payment form. The layout should be clean, modern, and user-friendly. Hit build, and within a few minutes, you'll have something that looks pretty extraordinary. And on the left-hand side, you can see the reasoning and exactly how Google Gemini is building this. So it thought about it for 21 seconds. It's built the metadata, the index file, and all the backend dependencies. Basically, all the building blocks of any landing page or website. And within 118 seconds, it's built this. And as a first draft, it's really not that bad. And remember, because this is prompt engineering, you can go back and you can change any of these elements inside a landing page. So if you want to change the title or the logo or the color scheme, or if you want to add gradients, you just tell it in plain English and AI Studio will do the rest. And this one tool can easily replace developers or paid web app builders. The second tool is Google Opal, and you can use it to build powerful internal workflow apps that standardize data collection and AI processing completely free. Opal is an automation alternative like N8N. So head over to the website and click on create new. And as with any AI platform, you build it using simple prompts in plain English. So I'm going to prompt it with a create tool that accepts a topic and produces 10 YouTube video titles optimized for virality, curiosity, and high click-through rate. Hit on submit, and it will start building out that concept using nodes. So here we have 3 nodes. The first is the video topic, which is just like a chat input. The second is the generate viral titles node, which is the AI agent. And the third part is it will actually render the viral titles into a web page, which is what you can see on the preview here. So let's click on start and test it. And the title I've given it is how to lose weight in 7 days. It's thinking about it, and let's see what it comes up with. And here you go. You've got some viral YouTube trends. So I lost 10 pounds in 7 days. You won't believe how. The 7-day weight loss secret no one tells you, which is a pretty good one. And yeah, it's kind of scrolling through these. They do fit my specification, right? Because I wanted something that's viral, engaging, clickbaity. And Google's understood what I've wanted. And it's also included a nice amount of power words in the titles. And believe me, as somebody who does create YouTube content, the titles are some of the most important parts of the entire process. And it can take hours trying to formulate the right titles, optimizing it for mobile, and including relevant power words. So a tool like this will absolutely save me hours. The third tool is NotebookLM, and you can turn dense documents and research into engaging professional explainer videos automatically. And this is what a notebook looks like. Essentially, what you can do is you can plug it in with any amount of sources that you can think of. So PDFs, blog posts, YouTube videos, and Google Docs. And if what you're doing is you're building an entire database around that topic. But what makes it really interesting is this feature here, which is the video overview, because you can take this source material and turn it into really interesting. For this example, I'm going to use a notebook that I covered in a previous video. And this is AI alignment research, just to save time. I'm going to click on video overview, but I want to customize it, which is this pen icon here. And so you have a few options here. The first one is format. So you can build an explainer video, which as the name suggests, is going to be longer and more comprehensive with a lot more detail. The second is brief. So this is for like bite-sized overviews. And if you want something quick, but not too complicated or in-depth. And then you have the visual style. So you can create your custom style, or you can use a template inside of NotebookLM. And they have a few you can choose from. So for this example, I'm going to select whiteboard and click on generate. And this will take a couple of minutes, but it's worth the wait. And this is what the video overview looks like.
So today we're going to dive into the state of AI safety. And it's really a tale of 2 completely different stories. On one hand, you have this absolutely explosive.
I think you agree that the tone, the pacing, the personalities of the speakers is incredible. It's really hard to tell that this is actually AI. And it's one of the best features because with video overview, you can synthesize information across multiple documents to produce a premium explainer video. Tool number 4 is Pomelo, and you can use it to generate entire social media campaigns that perfectly match your brand's aesthetic and voice instantly and for free. So head over to labs.google.com and search for Pomelo. You'll be taken to this page. And so for this example, I'm going to use LaCroix Water as the website. Hit continue. And what this will do is this will pull information from the website. So think of colors, color palettes, the font styles, the gradients, everything that makes LaCroix Water the website that it is. It's also studying brand values, understanding the visual aesthetic. It understands which fonts you're using, and it even pulls images from the website. Once it's done scraping the website, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. So it's got the logo, it knows the fonts, it's got the basic color palette, the brand values, taglines, and images from that website. And if you're happy with this brand DNA, you just click on looks good. And Pomelo has automatically created 3 campaigns, which looks seriously good. And if you're not happy with what it generates, you can always add your own creatives, or you can go back to the homepage and just put in a prompt here. What would you like to see? Do you want a LinkedIn campaign, or do you want to email your existing customers? Literally, the sky's the limit here. And these campaigns are as good as anything I've seen out there. I know this because I'm using this with my clients. clients. Not only do they not have to be design professionals, anybody in their organization can do this, which means that it frees up their time to do other things, such as talking to customers, getting feedback, expanding sales networks, and doing what they enjoy doing most, which is building a business. Pomelo is a serious game changer. It's one that I'm already using. And honestly, I'm really excited as to how they will improve this in the future. Because remember, every tool that I'm showing you today is the worst it's ever going to be. Tool number 5 is Gemini Canvas. And with this, you can effortlessly transform a text-heavy document into a visually appealing, presentation-ready slide deck. So head over to gemini.google.com. The first thing you need to do is select the correct agent. So from the tools list, go to Canvas. And then for this example, I'm going to upload NVIDIA's 2024 earnings report. And for the prompt, I'm going to say, convert this business plan into a professional presentation. Summarize each section into slides and include relevant visuals. Hit submit, and Gemini will access the PDF. It'll start generating the slides. After about a couple of minutes, you get something that looks like this. What I love about this is Gemini has taken NVIDIA's colors. It knows the font, palette, and it's incorporated it into the design. And as you can see, I never prompted any of this. And it's taken the most important sections of the PDF. I haven't read it. I have no idea what the numbers are. This has been all generated by AI. And it's even using relevant images. Honestly, something like this would take hours, but I did it in minutes. And you can also export this to Google Slides or download it locally onto your machine. But seriously, I'm very impressed with what I'm getting here. And this is a game changer. Imagine using something like this in a corporate environment, or if you're pitching for a client. You can build presentations around literally anything. And now with Gemini Canvas, you can do it at a click of a button. Tool number 6 lets you generate high quality images with Nano Banana Pro. And this is where you create stunning, professional grade images and product mockups that rival expensive tools like Midjourney, all for free. And let me show you how. So inside of Gemini, you need two things. The first is the tools agent. So just select create images. And the second requirement is obviously the prompt. So for this example, I'm going to ask it to create a minimalist product mockup of a matte black water bottle on a white desk behind a laptop and notebook using professional commercial lighting. And if you're not familiar with Nano Banana Pro, it's Google's image generation model built inside Gemini. And in less than 20 seconds, you get this. Honestly, it's not bad. As a first draft, it's exactly what I'm looking for. But if I wasn't happy, I can go back into the prompting. I can change the color of the bottle. I can add text to the bottle. I can change the lighting. I can do whatever I want with this. And you can also access this inside of Google AI Studio, where you've got access to more advanced controls. The last tool lets you produce multi-speaker audio with AI Studio. And you can generate studio quality multi-speaker audio with natural conversations for podcasts and more, bypassing expensive paid alternatives. Head back to Google AI Studio, and from the homepage, you want to select turn text into audio with Gemini. And it takes you to this next screen. Now, you've got a couple of options here. The first is you can do single speaker audio, or you can do multi-speaker audio. And I'm going to leave it at multi-speaker. And then we're going to need a script. So for this, I'm going to type in, welcome back to the show. Today, we're breaking down AI productivity tools that actually help you get more done. And you have a couple of options here. So you can change the speaker settings, i.e. the voice for both speaker 1 and speaker 2. I'm just going to leave it as the default. And then we can give it style instructions. So I've said, use a fast-paced conversational style. Position A is skeptical and speaker B is openly enthusiastic. And let's hit run. After about 20 seconds, you get this.
Welcome back to the show. Today, we're breaking down AI productivity tools that actually help you get more done.
We put a lot of tools through their paces and most didn't pass, but these 7 absolutely did.
I mean, it's not bad. It's got the right nuance, the tone. It actually sounds like a conversation. And there are tools like 11 Labs that charge, $20, $40 a month for this, but this is completely free and it's just as good. It's really crazy. So there you have it. 7 incredible tools by Google AI that are completely free. And honestly, these tools are as good as anything that I've used on the market, both for myself on this channel and for my clients. And I honestly believe that Google's at the forefront of AI technology. They are bringing out cutting edge tools and applications. And remember, today is the worst you're ever going to see these tools. They're only going to get better with new updates and as language models get smarter. And if you love this tutorial, click on the next video on your screen, which is how to master Google Gemini Pro 3.0, which is Google's most powerful language model.